Welcome to Pramit's Toy World.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox 4 Kinder Joys. 2 Harry Potter and 2 Godzilla or Dino edition, I don't know. Let's start with the Godzilla or Dino edition. I don't know what it's named. So let's start with this one. I want this one. Okay. So hi. Oh, my nails. Hope they were with me now. Hi. That hurt. Emotional damage to me. Okay, this is like a chamber-like thing. अच्छा top है. Top है मस्त top. Like this, see. So you just have to put 1 sticker. 2 stickers. Like I'll just put it on. Just for you guys to smile. And always guys, please be happy. And staying happy makes your sehat acha. And if your sehat acha hai na, so then you can watch my videos regularly and stay more happy. Yay! There, one done. Second. It's like a top. It's a top. I really love this top. I'll keep it as my lucky top. Whee. Okay, so let's keep this top like here. Who are you? Red. See, you can scan it and you can see you can get all of these figures. Yeah, so here we got this like top here, beautiful top, which has both the sides same dino. So if you just spin it, you can just spin it like on the manual. This is a very bumpy area, so I can't spin it. I'll try like that. So now let's go for the second Dinosaur Godzilla. No, let's not go for Godzilla. Let's do Harry. No, let's go for this one. I don't know, but I really just feel like, look. Yeah. What? How did this happen? This is weird. And wait. I seriously wanted this. Wait, this is Hogwarts Castle. This is Hogwarts Castle. It's a bookmark stand and all. I will need some help to do it. Pause for a bit of help, guys. We got this sticker on. Okay, after some help, we got the Hogwarts back. So technically, we have to just take these bookmarks like stuff and like boom, and just put it on your books when you are reading Harry Potter. Just like when you are reading Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Take your book. When you want to stop reading, take it and there. That. It's like a mini book full of bookmarks. Here. So we have a bookmark stand. Very cute bookmark stand. I want to do the other one as well. Same time. Hope we get headwing. Topper. Into words. What do we get? Draco. Mr. Draco. Yeah, we actually got Draco Malfoy. Yeah, literally, I'm so lucky. I got 2 new things today. It's like a bookmark. Here, you see. So, I think I need a book now. Book apply! Yeah, but I need a book. Okay guys, so this is Draco Malfoy. If you see Harry Potter 1, you will come at the end of the Hogwarts where he is going to be separated by Malfoy, as Harry Potter is a big enemy of Malfoy. I will show at the book at the end so that you can see it, guys. I was actually wanting Malfoy. Dang. Wait, this is a hardware bit. This is something strange, guys. This is seriously something strange. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. But I need help to make this. Okay guys, so I found out what is this actually. You can see here you have loads of these small things. You have to just remove them like this. I'm trying to remove one by my level best, so I'll just remove this one packet. And it's actually a top, guys, by my calculations. Because loads of the same parts is equal to a top. And it feels like a top as well. Wait, I can just read the instructions. Now we're going to give you. Yeah, so it's actually a top, so you can just remove a part like this. Now I'll have some stress, guys. Okay, guys, after a bit of help, I removed all the parts which took help. So thank you, camera woman. Appreciate you. And for support and giving thanks to my camera woman, please subscribe and make this video up to 100,000 likes. Thank you, guys. So wait a minute. We just have, but before that, okay guys, so I'm folding and opening it slowly and carefully. Makes everything ready. All the jungle safaris need more jungle safaris. Like this. Ooh. Made it. We survived. There. So we have all on it like this. Now we just have to like put this top bit like this. Boom. And we have a top here that you can spin like. Beautiful. So this is the end of the video, guys, and if you love this video, please give us support and also smash the like and subscribe button like this. Do some karate and kung fu. And they should be like, no, please don't do this. I am very innocent. Please don't touch us. Please touch us. Please, I'm begging you. Please, please, please. Oh God, what happened to me? I am getting destroyed. Why? That's how they should be. So bye.